Hi friends, Physical Science 10th class, Structure of Atom Part 1. These multiple choice questions are useful for the 10th class students as well as for the various competitive exams. If these videos reach to each and every government school student, really I feel very much happy. About 2600 years ago, an Indian sage called Kanada postulated atoms in his Vaisheshika Sutra, Susruta Samhita, Charaka Samhita, none. A is the right answer, Vaisheshika Sutra. Here Susruta Samhita providing the foundation of surgery, whereas Charaka Samhita providing the foundation of medicine. Susruta Samhita wrote Susruta and Charaka Samhita wrote Charaka. The word atom is derived from a Greek word atomio. It means the word atom is derived from a Greek word atomio. It means visible, indivisible, positive, negative. B is the right answer. That means indivisible. Next question. Speed of light is 4 into 10 power 8 meters per second, 5 into 10 power 8 meters per second, 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second, 6 into 10 power 8 meters per second. C is the right answer. That means 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Next question. When electric charge vibrates, dash are produced: electromagnetic wave, stationary wave, electric wave, magnetic wave. A is the right answer. Means electromagnetic wave. A vibrating electric charge creates a change in the electric field. The change in the electric field creates a change in magnetic field. By this continuous process, an electromagnetic wave is produced. So A is the right answer. Next question. Electromagnetic energy is characterized by frequency nu, wavelength lambda, both, none. C is the right answer. That means both frequency and wavelength. Next question. In an electromagnetic wave, electric and magnetic fields are dashed to each other. In an electromagnetic wave, electric and magnetic fields are dashed to each other. Perpendicular, parallel, diagonal, none. A is the right answer. That means perpendicular to each other. Next question. The number of wave peaks that pass by a given point per unit time is called. The number of wave peaks that pass by a given point per unit time is called speed of wave, wavelength, frequency, none. C is the right answer. Means frequency. Next question. The entire range of electromagnetic wave frequency is known as color bands, electromagnetic spectrum, range of colors, all of these. B is the right answer. Means electromagnetic spectrum. Next question. Visible light is an electric wave, electromagnetic wave, magnetic wave, none of these. B is the right answer. That means electromagnetic wave. Visible light is an electromagnetic wave. Next question. The relation between wavelength and velocity of electromagnetic wave is C is equal to nu lambda, C is equal to nu by lambda, C is equal to nu plus lambda, none. A is the right answer. Means C is equal to nu lambda. C is velocity and nu is frequency, lambda is wavelength. Next question. The wavelength range of visible spectrum is 300 nanometers to 400 nanometers, 400 nanometers to 500 nanometers, 500 nanometers to 600 nanometers, 400 nanometers to 700 nanometers. D is the right answer. Next question. Dash waves of electromagnetic spectrum are at a shorter wavelengths: gamma rays, UV rays, X-rays, none. A is the right answer. Means gamma rays. Whereas X-rays are used to help diagnose. Gamma rays are used in radiotherapy, in oncology to kill cancer cells. UV rays have harmful effects on humans. These lamps are used to kill germs in water purifiers. In E is equal to h nu equation, h is Planck's constant. Its value is 6.62 × 10⁻64 joule second. 6.62 into 10 power minus 34 joule second, 6.62 into 10 power minus 42 joule second. All of these. Here B is the right answer. That means 6.62 into 10 power minus 34 joule second. Here E is energy and H is Planck's second, nu is frequency. So B is the right answer. Next question. The yellow color of street lights is due to strontium, copper, sodium vapor, none. C is the right answer. That means sodium vapor. The yellow color of street lights is due to the sodium vapor. Next question. Strontium chloride produces which colored flame? Strontium chloride produces which colored flame? Yellow, blue, green, crimson red. D is the right answer, means crimson red. Strontium chloride produces crimson red color flame. Cupric chloride produces which colored flame? Cupric chloride produces which colored flame? Yellow, red, green, blue. C is the right answer, means green. Cupric chloride produces green colored flame. Next question. Radar means radio detection and ranging, radio detection and research, radio defect and ranging, radio defect and research. A is the right answer, means radio detection and ranging. Radar has so many uses. Main uses are to detect and track aircrafts, spacecrafts, and ships at sea. So A is the right answer. Thank you for watching.